I worship my art and I love the kind of skills, be it acting or dancing. I'm somebody who celebrates versatility. तो मेरे काम में भी मुझे हमेशा वर्सैटिलिटी दिख के आनी चाहिए. 2025 में to be the first outsider actress to enter 105 plus crore हमारी फिल्म ने अभी तक कर लिया है. And there's this particular sequence जहाँ पे 15 आदमियों को मैं अकेले मार रही हूँ. एज एन एक्शन ऑल्सो एक डिफरेंट लाइट में पब्लिक सॉ मी विच वॉज रियली ग्रेट. और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि आई एम द यंगेस्ट मोस्ट फॉलोड पर्सन ऑन द सोशल मीडिया. बट आई रियली थिंक वड़ा पाव इज रियली गुड. आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई कॉल इट दही वाले गोलगप्पे. इट्स नॉट कॉल्ड दही वाले गोलगप्पे, बट आई एम ऑलवेज कॉलिंग इट दही वाले गोलगप्पे. दैट्स व्हाट आई रियली लाइक.
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here on my special show Street Diaries, and with me today I have none other than the beautiful, the gorgeous Urvashi Rautela. So join me as I welcome her only on my show. Lovely to have you, Urvashi, and I could see that you're doing a lot of dhamakas right now with your Dabidi and of course playing a cop. How it has been for you, the journey?
I think it has been such a fruitful and amazing journey starting 2025. We never really expected as a team कि जो हमारा फिल्म है डाकू महाराज इतना ज़्यादा उसको पब्लिक एक्सेप्टेंस मिलेगा, इतना ज़्यादा अप्रिशिएट करेंगे लोग. बिकॉज सिंस बिगिनिंग आई ऑलवेज फोकस्ड ऑन डाइवर्सिटी in terms of like range of my characters and everything. So I think in this film, it just like, I know, I do understand that there's a lot of curiosity about the age gap, about the dancing part and how the song became super viral. And between the dance communities also, they all are enjoying and doing it. But people who actually, went to the theatres and they saw the film, the appreciation which I've been getting, especially for, I do have scenes and a lot of Telugu dialogues and everything. But साथ ही साथ जो I was very sure that I want to do my stunts on my own. And there's this particular sequence जहाँ पे 15 आदमियों को मैं अकेले मार रही हूँ. There's a lot of involvement of the guns, lot of kicks. तो एक particular shot आता है जिसमें इकट्ठे ही सबको मार करके चकनाचूर कर रही हूँ. So I think as an action also एक different light में public saw me, which was really great. सभी को dialogue delivery और स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस काफ़ी ज़्यादा अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं लोग. एंड तेलुगु बोली है, द लैंग्वेज पार्ट, everybody is appreciating it and just over the moon कि feels really great कि 2025 में to be the first outsider actress to enter 105 plus crore हमारी फिल्म ने अभी तक कर लिया है, to enter into the 100 crore club. And as an actor, I think it kind of reinsures the credibility, and at the same time, I mean, it has always been my dream to work with visionary filmmakers and to work in a film where there are strong narratives. हमारी फिल्म डाकू महाराज में वो सभी है. I think it is a very beautiful blend of such an amazing film, especially with बालकृष्ण गारू. बहुत अच्छा रहा काम करके, और उनको बोलते हैं गॉड ऑफ मास. So I really hope and he is an inspiration and I can become a goddess of mass. So that's what.
And you're already a goddess of mass because if you see, people are really loving the hook step also. And again, it's very unique, how it was for you to perform something like this. Were you a bit, skeptical, uncomfortable, because what you have done is you have just surrendered to the choreographer and you have just gone with the steps and all. So how it was for you?
Actually, ये पहली दफ़ा नहीं that I'm working with the people. I've worked पहले से पहले भी जब चिरंजीवी गारू के संग काम किया था, तो वो सेम ही टीम के संग काम किया था. द सेम कोरियोग्राफर बॉस पार्टी में उस टाइम पे लाइक ही इज़ अ वेरी ग्रेसफुल एंड वेरी क्लासी कोरियोग्राफर. अगर आप देखेंगे उन्हीं का काम देखो. ये टीम मैं पहली बार नहीं काम कर रही हूँ, उससे पहले भी मैंने उनके संग काम किया है और बहुत ही अच्छा उन्होंने मुझे कोरियोग्राफी करके दिया था, और चिरंजीवी गारू को भी. रही बात इसकी, इफ़ यू एक्चुअली सी अ लॉट ऑफ बिहाइंड द सीन्स वेयर आई एम डूइंग माई रिहर्सल्स, आप देखेंगे कि बहुत ही अच्छी कोरियोग्राफी है. और जो गाना इतना ज़्यादा बिग बजट, इट इज़ अ Dabidi Dabidi is such a big budget track, like a mass song. इसको कैसे मैं बोलूँ कि ये एक आइटम भी नहीं है, बिकॉज हीरो भी इतना ज़्यादा डांस कर रहे हैं मेरे साथ। ऐसा नहीं है कि लड़की है अकेले नाच रही है और लड़का सामने से देख रहा है। सो इट्स लाइक अ मोर ऑफ लाइक अ परफॉर्मेंस ओरिएंटेड एंड वेरी मासी सॉन्ग, हमारी फिल्म का इकलौता गाना, और बाकी कोई और इतने गाने नहीं है। रही बात चिन्नी है, विच इज़ अगैन लाइक अ वेरी थोड़ा सा एकदम क्यूट गाना है। तो इस गाने का परफॉर्मेंस जो है, पूरा रिप्रेजेंटेशन बहुत ही किंग और क्वीन स्टाइल में किया गया है। आप देखेंगे तो उनका इतना बड़ा सिंहासन है और मैं भी सिंहासन में बैठी हूँ। सो बालकृष्ण गारू इज़ लाइक अ प्लेइंग अ किंग एंड आई एम अ क्वीन और प्रिंसेस। दैट इज़ द विजुअल रिप्रेजेंटेशन। हमारे स्पेशली सेट्स बनाए थे उन्होंने इतने बड़े, और इट्स अ वेरी वेरी हाई बजट सॉन्ग, लाइक मोस्टली 15 करोड़ के बजट का वो गाना है, दबड़ी दिबड़ी। और कॉस्ट्यूम्स भी आप देखोगे तो बहुत ही क्वीनली टाइप के हैं। गैविन सी मैकवेल करके डिज़ाइनर हैं, उन्होंने पूरा कॉस्ट्यूम्स किया है, जो उन्होंने ही किल्ड इट विद द कॉस्ट्यूम्स। और जो हमारा स्टाइल है डांसिंग का, वो बहुत ज़्यादा, क्योंकि हमारी जंगल थीम है हमारी फिल्म की, तो इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ वेस्टर्न, लाइक हाउ डू आई से, लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ एफ्रो स्टाइल, अफ्रीकन स्टाइल, जंगल थीम, and so you can see a very tribal culture in the song. So it is an amalgamation of the song is going according to the movie genre. अगर आप डीपली देखेंगे, when you'll go to the and you'll see the film, तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा वो एक तरीके से फिल्म में बैठा हुआ गाना है, फिल्म के अकॉर्डिंग है। और आई थिंक इतनी जल्दी जज करना बहुत अनफेयर रहेगा फॉर द कोरियोग्राफर एंड फॉर द आर्टिस्ट एज वेल। सब लोग जाएं और देखें। और मुझे तो अभी तक के इतने सारे मार्क्स हैं मेरी बॉडी में वो गाना करने के बाद, जो अभी तक नहीं गए हैं। जुलाई में शूट किया था, बट स्टिल आई डू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ बॉडी मार्क्स इन माई बॉडी बिकॉज द कॉस्ट्यूम्स वर बिट हैवी। और एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा, इट्स अ वेरी हाई इंटेंसिटी एडवांस्ड डांसिंग जो हमने की है। तो सभी लोग देख सकते हैं, सभी लोग अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं। वी हैव पुट इन अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट एंड लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क। स्पेशली वो जो नीचे जाने वाला मोमेंट है, फिर घूम करके आई एम सिटिंग ऑन हिम। सो देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ, वो साउथ में चलता भी ऐसे ही है, बहुत ही इंटेंस लेवल ऑफ डांसिंग वो करते हैं, विच आई रियली अप्रिशिएट ऑल्सो, बिकॉज आई वर्शिप माई आर्ट एंड आई लव द काइंड ऑफ स्किल्स, बी इट एक्टिंग और डांसिंग। सो वो भी निकल के आया है, बट मेहनत तो बहुत ज़्यादा लगी है उस दबड़ी दिबड़ी में। एंड आई रियली वांट पीपल टू रीफोकस एंड सी द सॉन्ग अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्क्रिप्ट एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द एफर्ट एंड हार्ड वर्क विच वी ऑल हैव पुट इन। एंड सो या, आई मीन ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं शॉक्ड हूँ कि मैंने ये लाइक क्योंकि मैंने वो टीम के संग पहले काम किया है और हमने एक ब्लॉकबस्टर फिल्म दी थी, वॉल्टर वेरैया। तो दिस इज़ द सेकेंड टाइम वर्किंग विद द टीम, सो एक कंफर्ट का माहौल था।
Also, Urvashi, like I've seen you, like when you entered the industry, you know, you were just like a doll, and even now you are like that. And at the same time, the kind of offers which has been made to you in terms of your work, you know, people prefer a certain role for you, and you have evolved. You have evolved, be it in your dancing skills, be the kind of movies you're doing, or even playing a housewife. You know, it has come out very well. You have enhanced your qualities. Do you also see that, because someone who was very naive to the industry versus learning, some techniques basically to be there, grooming yourself?
Yeah, of course. I think there has to be the change. Change should be constant. Or with my films also, as I've promised myself that I want to work with visionary filmmakers or strong narratives का part बनना है as an actor, और सभी तरह के genre का करना है. I'm somebody who celebrates versatility. तो मेरे काम में भी मुझे हमेशा वर्सेटिलिटी दिख के आनी चाहिए। मैं खुद ही बोर हो जाती हूँ अगर मैं एक ही जैसा कुछ रिपीट करूँ ऑन स्क्रीन, बी इट इन माई एक्टिंग और बी इट माई डांसिंग और एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ अ परफॉर्मेंस एज वेल। जब मैं कॉन्सर्ट्स करती हूँ, आई डू लाइक अ स्टेज एंड परफॉर्मिंग ऑल्सो, आई ऑलवेज मेक श्योर टू डिलीवर समथिंग डिफरेंट। अभी कोलकाता में न्यू ईयर का परफॉर्मेंस किया था, कॉन्सर्ट किया था, तो अगेन आई ऑलवेज मेक श्योर दैट आई वांट टू डू लाइक अ गुड मिक्स ऑफ डिफरेंट स्टाइल ऑफ कोरियोग्राफीज। आप जैसे कि मेरी पहली फिल्म भी देखेंगे, सिंह साहब द ग्रेट, जो जिसमें मैंने डेब्यू किया था, तो उसमें इफ़ यू सी माई हॉस्पिटल बेड सीन, वो पूरा एक टेक में किया था और बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटेंस, और जिसमें मैं मर रही हूँ और मैं अपने पति को एक लेटर लिख रही हूँ, आप वो सीन देखिएगा, वो है। और हिट स्टोरी 4 पूरी एक फीमेल सेंट्रिक फिल्म थी। सभी फिल्म्स में आई ऑलवेज मेक श्योर दैट कि एक अपना बेस्ट देना है, और कैरेक्टर वाइज भी थोड़ा कुछ हटके होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। और सेम व्हेन इट कम्स टू डांसिंग स्किल्स, जद मेहंदी लग लग जावे, इट वाज अ वेरी इंडियन काइंड ऑफ अ डांस फॉर्म. उसके बाद आशिक बनाया आपने में 6 इंचेस हील्स कोरियोग्राफी की थी. नाम है मेरा में वैकिंग डांस फॉर्म किया है. इसमें पूरा एफ्रो है और ट्राइबल सॉर्ट ऑफ अ डांस फॉर्म है दबड़ी दिबड़ी में. इसके बाद भी आने वाले हैं, सब में अलग अलग तरह का डांस फॉर्म है. और हसीनों का दीवाना में देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ पॉप एंड अ मिक्स फ्री स्टाइल. तो सभी गानों में इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट वर्जन ऑफ उर्वशी एंड विच पीपल रियली लाइक. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स तो ऑल्सो द रीज़न कि मेरे इतने लॉयल फैंस हैं. And my fans really, they love me, they love what I do, they really worship what I work, what I bring to the table. And I think इतना loyal fan base ऐसे ही नहीं होता है. I think they actually see, they can foresee it. और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि I'm the youngest most followed person on the social media, and it is only and only because of my fans, because they see my efforts and they see you know, the kind of work which I'm doing.
Which is very great, and I must say that when the song has gone viral like how, but at the same time as we talk about the song being loved by a lot of people, criticism also comes into place, and that happens be it with a lot of songs. We have seen that be it with Alia or Aishwarya or even Tamanna Bhatia, they have faced that flag. How do you take criticism when you are trolled on social media? What are your thoughts on that?
See, according to media, like how they claim the shocking, most shocking, biggest age gap of Indian cinema.
Yes.
I agree. It is the biggest age gap of Indian cinema. But back in 1978-79, Sridevi Garu did a film with Balakrishna's father,
Okay.
N.T. Ramarao, who is the biggest Telugu superstar, most celebrated, and the chief minister as well. तो वो और एक ये है, बाकी तो और भी बहुत बड़े बड़े एज गैप्स हैं, बट दीज आर द बिगेस्ट वंस. सो उस टाइम पे वो भी फिल्म को बहुत ज़्यादा अप्रिशिएट किया था. 1978-79 में वो फिल्म आई थी, श्रीदेवी गारू विद N.T. रामाराव. अभी तो वो नहीं है यहाँ पे, but again they did it, and then I'm doing it with Balakrishna, so I feel people, they accepted it, and the film has turned out to be a blockbuster.
Are you also liking the change what you have made? Is like you have touched international waters also. You have presented yourself internationally. People have seen you at international film festivals also. You have done songs which has been shot abroad, say like in Dubai, or working with Honey Singh for that matter, and to then coming to regional side of it, which is the south, which is the most biggest film industry for that matter. Are you liking the way you're paving your way in this world?
Yeah, I mean, like I like it, and I don't want to limit myself across the borders. I think for me it's a celebration of art, and I don't want to limit myself. Obviously, right now my fan following is very diverse and it's very global. I like people. There are a lot of people because of thanks to Miss Universe also. I don't want to give. I don't want to. A lot of credit goes to Miss Universe as well, because. I won Miss Universe India twice. I became the judge of Miss Universe. I was the youngest judge in the history of Miss Universe, where the Prime Minister of Israel, he honored me. There were so many other judges wherever he honored me, and he gave me the badge of honor. So it is a mix of a good fan following from the east, west, north, south, and then Middle Eastern. I worked with Mohammed Ramadan, Egyptian superstar, Middle East, North Africa. Then I'm so very active in France, because I have been doing for past like couple of so many years. Like I've done Cannes Film Festival, where I received prestigious Viva Award. Then my Paris Fashion Week. So Middle East, North Africa, France, and US for that matter, because of Miss Universe. And I also, I'm the global brand ambassador for Smile Train. So a lot of my charity works keeps on happening in India and Indonesia. So I think I have like a very diverse and very loyal fan base all across the world, and with the success of Daku Maharaj, it kind of solidifies the mass appeal which my filmography or my work has we have achieved. So I think it's good to be a part of it. It's good to be 100 crore blockbuster in this club, to be in this club and as an actor, because as I said, that it solidifies your mass appeal and your global fan base.
One thing which has also come under our notice is that while people have loved your work, a film like that of Ramcharan and Tejas, Game Changer, along with Kiara Advani, didn't really work well. Though it had a loud mouth, in terms of the promotions and all, still it didn't really work well at the box office. Versus your movie has really done wonders. So what you have to say, because the box office clash itself, we really thought like probably that will work versus like yours. So what you have to say, it's completely changed, a game changer for you for that matter.
Yeah, game changer for me. I think I think that's what everybody was expecting. It has been like a shock for all of us that our film is loved by masses. And then I just want to say that Shankar sir, for that matter, I performed for him by the way for the Indian 2 launch, and I know such an amazing filmmaker he is, and I so want to work with him. But I don't see that ki theek hai, this Kiara's film Game Changer came, our film Daku Maharaj came, but our film did the numbers and it created a box office record. It is the highest grossing film of Balakrishna Garu ever. It is also the highest grossing film of my career ever. So in a shortest span of time. So I think but people, there are a lot of tweeting about the comparisons and all on the Twitter. I can see a lot of tweets about ki Kiara's film became disaster, your film became blockbuster super hit. I think I just want to say कि अगर ऐसा हुआ है तो उसमें मेरी तो कोई गलती नहीं है. I mean, people are loving it and we are just so happy and so happy to receive such amount of love and abundance from people.
Urvashi recently also revealed that Sushmita Sen didn't want you to be a part of the Miss Universe world. She wanted you to step down. And you have been in your teens, early teens in fact, when you became a part of this world. How it was for you, because a message coming that early from someone like her, how did you deal with it?
Actually, she was our boss. She was president. Donald Trump was our boss. But I was 18, but I had to be 18 by 1st of February. And my birthday comes on 25th of February. So I was 21 days shorter. So, I mean, it was more of like, how do I tell it to you? Like, I was 18 when I won the crown. But according to the American rules, I was 21 days shorter. Okay. Whereas I had completed the entire contest and won the entire pageant, and where I was competing with the girls who were like 8 and 9 years elder to me and still winning the pageant. I think girls who were 7, 8, 9, 10 years elder to me and still I won the pageant. So my main thing was ki why if a person is younger also, and if a person has achieved something, should not be prohibited. मतलब उसको रोकना नहीं चाहिए अगर if the person actually deserves it. So ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए किसी के साथ.
But as you see that you have evolved as an individual from someone who didn't really know how the industry works. You have also learned. You are an ITN, and letting go of that to come into the world of biz. I'm sure that you may also have faced roadblocks where you may be categorized while not letting to enter a certain club or a certain club for that matter. How did you fight through those battles and ensure that you just come just focus on your work basically?
I think in the end of the day, it's our work which matters. It's the kind of performances which we deliver. Talks, it will happen. I'm a person who don't believe in talks. I believe in action. Like, what do I bring to the table? Like what is my action? Am I working hard towards my craft, towards my skills? In the end of the day, it's all about the 70mm screen. So everything I consider it's a bullshit. So I just believe in my filmography and my work profile. That's it, and other things I don't bother about it too much.
Your strong supporters have been your parents, and we have seen that they have always stood by you. I have seen a post with your father, and that's very lovely to even read, and all your pictures with your mom, where you're completely out there. When they got to know that you have reached the 100 crore club, what was their reaction?
This is my amazing question, by the way, because my mom, she gifted me a diamond-studded Rolex. For crossing 105 crore mark, and my father gifted me this small cute watch. By the way, they both gifted me watches, but this is like a diamond Rolex, and this one is a very cute watch. I've never seen this kind of watch, it's so unique.
Never,
So I was really, I had a lot of tears and all that. They all have been there. They have been seeing how hard I've been working, and then I received this watch, and I promised them that I'll always be wearing it, like if as much as I can. So I'm really happy.
Probably there was a hidden message that your time has come to evolve and grow.
Oh
of all
my
you know.
God. I didn't think it that way,
Yeah.
but maybe, yeah. I think
Yeah,
so. I
that's
think
the
so.
reminder from both the parents.
I really don't know. Your thinking is so deep.
Yeah.
Like, that's really good. I didn't think about that part, but good. आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर.
And coming to one thing which everyone is curious to know about, as we talk about the food side of it, everyone is keen to know Urvashi's diet chart because she looks gorgeous, she has that glow on her face, and she's always shining bright. Be it at Shah Rukh's event or be it at some other event or some other event, Urvashi's diet is like how?
So my diet, I follow a very. I like what I really like from my heart is Uttarakhandi diet, gehet ki dal, or chesu. Then we have the rice we call bhat, and then my favorite dessert in the world is arse. So when I was little, my father used to get me because I was always studying. मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझे पीट करके सुबह 4 बजे उठाते थे पढ़ने के लिए, तो I was always studying and we had used to have so many examinations and all, too much pressure to become the topper and this and that. So my father, whenever he used to come back from weddings or from like any sort of a function or gatherings, he used to get me arse. Have you ever tried arse? You know?
No,
No.
I've never tried.
Okay, so arse is like a beautiful dessert. I think it's the best dessert in the entire world.
Oh, yeah.
This arse it contains like a flour and then a rice and then like a sugar, like a honey or like a jaggery powder, and it's like a pancake. It's so delicious, and I'm whenever I have to cheat, I'm eating arse, which is like a Uttarakhandi dessert, Uttaranchali dessert, as I'm from there. So I'm addicted to arses and I love it. Do try arse and the local cuisine. It's delicious.
Urvashi, have you ever been a fan of having street food as such? Like, have you tried when you were in Bombay, also when you came to Mumbai? Have you ever tried any locals, or if you remember, what was your diet like when you started off over here?
I like because of the competitions, Miss Universe, and always like trying to be the fitter version. I was not too much into the outside food and all, but I really think vada pav is really good.
Yeah.
I think, and dahi wale golgappe. I don't know why I call it dahi wale golgappe. It's not called dahi wale golgappe, but I'm always calling it dahi wale golgappe. That's what I really like. Not pani wale golgappe. I like dahi wale with the yogurt, and then I like vada pav with mirchi. I think it's really good.
Yeah. And also, Urvashi, I have to ask you that now, since you are completely in the world of glamour, you have to also maintain yourself, and you do that. I touch wood, you do it very well. I've seen you going for your workouts and all, and you're very regular about that. You're very particular about that. Discipline is what matters the most to be like you.
Yeah, 1000%. I think, in fact, if my filmmakers and all also they repeat me in films, it's only and only because they have seen my dedication and my discipline. And I think if a person really wanna achieve their A+ level game, they have to be disciplined in what they do. Discipline, way ki okay, even if I feel like eating this, but if it's not allowed, I will not touch it. So I think it's really very important to be disciplined and very dedicated, and to have that passion. So as I said that after this success, I'm very dedicated and very passionate to work with visionary filmmakers, as I said. So I think without discipline, discipline is the key.
What is that one thing you don't go without when you're on the set of your movie? Like, you really need it. Like, this is Urvashi's thing to do.
In set they have एक दिया जो पूजा का दिया होता है, तो I always I take the blessings of that diya, which I strongly believe, and I always do it no matter what. I really like to have some sort of a divine blessings also. My birthplace is Haridwar, so I'm spiritually very connected, and I'm very proud of the fact that I was born in Uttarakhand, Uttaranchal. So that and number 7 people, they're very spiritual also. So I do believe in the divine blessing.
And as we come to the end of the conversations also, there is one thing which also happens with you very often is that you become a kind of a shikar, I would say, to deepfake images or say, the AI images, all the videos basically. One such had happened, when you were shooting something, that was whatever the promotions, but there are cases where your, AI images are, coming into picture. Now, one such image which has come into picture is with the cricketer Rishabh Pant. What do you say about that? Because people kind of guess that you are on a trip with him.
God, like as you can see, I'm so busy promoting my 105 crore. By the way, let me plug in this, promoting my film Daku Maharaj. Where do I have time for vacation? I wish I had time for vacation. Literally, see, I'm doing my vacation with you, darling. My vacation is with you, darling. So, right now, too many interviews. You can see after you there, I have 50 plus interviews to finish. I wish I had that time for vacation, but by the time I enjoy my vacation with you.
Thank you.
We both enjoy
And
my
on that
vacation.
note, being single, independent, young woman, you know, who's just ruling the chart, what is that one message for women, you know, in this field or otherwise also, who's trying to make a way for them? What are your thoughts on that?
Like for women out there,
Yes.
I just want to say that always it would be very cliche, you know, because I just want to say that always try to improve yourself or try to better yourself. Never depend on any guy, like, you know, or a man. It's really good, like if a man wants to spoil you in a way, like, you know, want to shower so much love on you and this and that, but it's very important to be accountable when it comes to your life, and one should not think too much about the boys.
Interesting, and I think that is the woman of 2025 which we are looking and rooting for. Lovely chatting with you, Urvashi.
Thank you.